Okay viewers, we're here at Tukwila International Boulevard en route to Seattle-Tacoma International Airport. This is the Seattle-Washington Tukwila International Boulevard. This is the freeway. Going to the airport. Now you can see the planes. Atlas Air. Look at these cars waiting for their pickup arrival. Southwest Airlines. They call it signal pad. These are the runway, the tarmac. Delta Airlines. Alaska Airlines there. This is it. Alaska Airlines, American Airlines. It's the hub for Alaska Airlines, Seattle-Tacoma International Airport.
Now entering SeaTac Airport. Doors to my left.
Now we're entering the SeaTac International Airport. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more. Bye for now.